Either if you're facing battery problem or your battery is draining too fast in your Samsung A series devices like A50, right now I'm using A50 here, A51 or A52, A30 or A31. So you can follow these settings or this process to save your battery or make your battery much safe. You just need to go to settings. Now from here just scroll down and go to the battery. You just need to search for the battery option here. This is battery and device here, and now it is checking. Now if you find it great, that means it's not draining too much. If you find it in other states less than great, then that means there is a problem with your battery. So you can just go with this battery, tap on battery. Now from here you can just go to power saving mode. You don't need to turn on the power saving mode whole time. You can just turn on these three options. You can turn off always on display. Always on display actually drain too much battery if you turn it on your device. Now you can just limit CPU speed to 70% if you don't need a high performance right now. So you can just turn it on, so your CPU speed will be limited to 70%. Then decrease brightness by 10%. Brightness is actually like this. If you get this level of brightness, then it will drain too much battery. So make sure that you decrease the battery brightness by 10%. If you don't need the over brightness, then don't use that much brightness. It will harm your eyes too. Then from here you can just tap on this limit apps and home screen. Tap on this limit apps and home screen. You can enable it. It will also save some amount of battery here. After that you can go to background users limits, where you can just put unused apps to sleep. You just need to turn it on. If you find it turned off, you just need to turn it on. Then it will put all the unused apps on background of your device will make sleep. So they won't drain your battery or won't use your CPU that much. So it won't actually drain the battery on your device. Now from here you can put deep sleep apps like the high games, a higher amount games, or with our large file games, then a large application. You can put them to deep sleeping apps. When you want to use it, you can just tap on it and you can just hold on that and tap on remove button from remove from this deep sleep apps list, and you can just use it without any hassle. After using, you can again put that on the deep sleep mode again. Now from here you can just analyze. By here you can just analyze the applications which are draining your battery the most. So you can just be careful with this analytics. It will give you full analytics date according to a date by day. So you can analyze these applications which are draining your battery or using your battery too much. So in charging settings you can go with fast charging, which will help you to charge get the charge back first. So it will help you to recover the charging first. After that you can go back, and here from after that you can just go to the software update and make sure there is no update is running in background of your device. Then if there's any software update is running background, then you can keep it, or you can just delete this installation process. Installation process will drain your battery too much. So after that you can just turn off your device. You can just hold on your power volume down button and power button together to get the power off menu, and tap on the power off button and tap again to power off your device. And you just need to connect your charger. Let me connect my charger with my device. Currently I am using my Samsung A55, and if you turn it off and connect with charger, remember you just need to make sure that your phone is 100% charged while your phone is switched off. So that will help you to recover your battery a little. So if you find that your battery is draining unusually and it is totally damaged, if you feel it, then you must need to change your battery, it placed in your back shell here. You can just change it by a technician. You can buy a high megapower battery and mAh battery with this Leyland. It supports different types of battery. You can just buy a compatible battery for your device, and you can just go to a technician and they will just adjust your battery with the device, and your device may work better than this. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.